ALT. ALT looks like it's in a push zone. I don't know. Can I take this one? But it's I don't know. Ah, I'm gonna wait for it's 554. It looks like it's good, but you see, this red candle is what is giving me the creeps. This red candle is giving me the creeps. ALT looks like it's going up. I think we can go with ALT. Let's go with ALT. Let's go with ALT. Let's go with ALT. Let's go with everything we have here. Let's see. Can it go? I don't know. Will it go? I don't know. Maybe. But it looks like it's going up. If it's not going down now, I think I have to cancel. We have to pick the higher price. We gotta pick the higher price at this point. We gotta pick the higher price. But obviously, it's going up. It is going up, people. It's going up. So because of that, I don't want to waste any time. Let's go. It's at 70, people. The energy is there. The energy is there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. ALT. ALT. The energy is there. Yeah. So let's go with limits. Let's go with limits, guys. And let's put that. And the ALT is there. Then we change that to USDT. Let's put in the max. Okay. And then we change this. We're currently in some form of profit. No, we're not yet in profit. Let's put this at 6. Let's see where it's going to take us. No, that's not good. Let's put in 6. Let's put it in 8. 8. Oh, no, that's too much. 7. Okay, let's try this out. 6, 5. Oh, no, that's not enough. 6, 7. I think I'll go with it. Oh, no, that's not enough. 6, 8 should just be fine. 6, 8 should just be fine. Yeah. Thought as much as 6, 8 would just be perfect. Okay, 6, 8 would just be fine. So we have picked our trade, and that is ALT, guys. ALT is working for us, as you can see. We've picked ALT to give us $1.28. Okay, so we wanted to convert at 568. All right, let's go and see. Let's go and see. Are we going up? It looks like it still is, but let's hope that this doesn't go around like we thought. But anyways, no problems. We will keep on doing our own bit. All right. So here we are. ALT is currently in the tray. All right. Yeah, we've taken ALT. ALT has executed, right? And we have our, let's go and check how much. I mean, we got to check all of these things, right? Because, you definitely cannot know all the things offhand. So you can see ALT has executed. We bought it at 59.95. So let's go check in the convert section. I can't remember the other one that got. Oh, yes, Bunk. I remember now. Bunk has executed too. So, but let's start with this one. Let's quickly check on it. You see, let me show you here. Look at the ALT. ALT has given us money, people. Yeah, we made $1.28. No, we made more than that. $1 and like about 33 cents. Yes, that's what we made. But let's go calculate it. Don't forget, we bought it as $59.95, and then we have 61.28 here. So we're going to quickly go and check on what that has given us very quickly. We'll look at the calculator because that's important, people. It's important. Okay, so we've got 61.28, remember, minus 59.95. We made $1.33, people. That is awesome. $1.33. Okay, so let me see how much that is in terms of profit, percentage. So that's $1.33. So let's check that out. Let's go back. 59.95 times, right? I think that should be like 2.2 or 2.3. Oh, less than that. 2.25. Yeah, 2.6. No, 2.25. 2.25. Why is it not allowing 6? 6 is more. Oh, 2.25 is, oh, sorry, that's even more. Sorry about that, guys. 2.24. 2.23. Am I right? Yes, that's it. 2.23%. We got 2.23% is what we made on our trade, people. Yes, that was the ALT trade. Are we called the alt or the ALT? We got it. Whichever one it is, we made $1.33, and that was 0.23%, people. Oh, on inside of the charts. Gone down. Okay, it's been going up. It's been going up. That's good. Alt has executed and it also began to go up, right? Which was cool, which was really cool.